Flowers are the music of the ground, from earth's lips, spoken without sound. Greetings of the day, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about flower painting. Let's begin. Very first with light hands. All of you have to draw the sketch of the flower, which we will do with pencil colors. Observe the picture of the flower and then draw it. Now start the coloring with the pencil colors. Here also you have to keep in your mind that we have to move our hand in proper way in one direction, and we have to do the color from light to dark. One by one, all the petals of the flower you have to color. Violet color, pink color, dark blue color, somewhere yellow or orange color you have to use while giving the shading. Observe the video very carefully and then do the coloring. As I am doing the coloring, you can also do in the way, because the petals from up to down and then down to up, you have to do the colors. Means you have to do the strokes of the pencil color. In this painting, I am doing in few of the petals. After that, you have to use your own creativity and you have to finish the picture of the flower. Observe it and do it. Now, the center portion also you can observe. Use yellow, dark and light. Observe the rest of the petals and the center portion of the flower very carefully and do it. Then you have to do the color in the stem of the flower with light green, dark green, and somewhere you have to use the yellow color to give the tonal effect. Hope all of you are enjoying making the flower drawing with pencil colors. Thank you and have a wonderful day.